Sometimes the rain, when did you fall? Golden rays, the clouds roll in. This weather plays the game again. Drops of you still touch my skin, falling soft like whispered pain. The scent of you still lingers near, like thunder waiting in the air. I close my eyes, you're almost here, but open them and you're not there. Summertime rain, why did you fall? So warm, so wild, then left me cold. You brought the fire and took it away, like fleeting dreams that fade with the day. Footsteps echo on wet streets, memories dancing to the beat. Every drop plays your melody, your silence is all that sings to me. I ask the sky, does it know? Where do those raindrops go? Do they land where your heart beats, or fade away like old repeats? Summertime rain, why did you fall? So warm, so wild, that left me cold. You brought the fire and took it away, like fleeting dreams that fade with the day. Footsteps echo on wet streets, memories dancing to the beat. Every drop plays a melody, yet silence is all that sings to me. Oh, 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 oh. Lightning strikes where we once stood, fallen leaves where love once bloomed. Tell me, do you miss the storm, or have you found a different moon? No more sunshine, no more shade, just one more rain to wash this away. Summertime rain, come back again, or take my heart where you remain. When did you fall? Like fleeting dreams that fade with the day, like fleeting dreams that fade with the day. Lightning strikes where we once stood, fallen leaves where love once bloomed. Tell me, do you miss the storm, or have you found a different moon? No more sunshine, no more shade, just one more rain to wash this away. Summertime rain, come back again, or take my heart where you remain.